In this video, I quickly want to show you how you can remove and reinstall the VIN tag on your motorcycle frame. It's actually quite simple and you don't need a lot of tools. To remove it, you need a center punch, a cordless drill and a few small drill bits. And then to reinstall it, you need fitting rivets and a pair of rivet pliers. I'm going to link you set down below. What we want to do is to carefully drill out these old rivets. For that, we first need to center punch right in the middle. And now we start with a relatively small drill bit so that we don't slip. I'm starting with a 2.5mm drill. Once you have a good start, we can move up to a slightly bigger drill. I'm going up to a 3.5 now. All right, and now that we're this far, where we have removed the inner stem of the top part of the rivet, we can go ahead and try to knock off the head. All right, there we go. So let's repeat the process right here. And that's the tag off. First step done. Now we still have the rest of the rivets in here, which we need to get out. So I think since I can't push it through, I'm just going to drill that out so we can reinstall new rivets once the frame is powder coated. That one was a lot easier because we have a lot more room right here than where it's stuck underneath the frame. Now we have the holes that we can reuse for the new rivets. I just have to wait until the frame is powder coated. And once it's back, I'm going to show you how to reinstall the tag. All we need for this is a pop rivet kit like this. It comes with a pair of rivet pliers and pop rivets in different sizes. Let me show you how they work. You insert the rivet into the pliers like this and push it through the hole. To install the rivet, you squeeze the pliers until the rivet pops off. And then this is what it looks like when it's installed. As the first step to reinstall the VIN tag on the bike, we need to find the right size rivets for the holes in the frame. We're looking for a tight fit, so for the BMW frame, the 4mm ones are a perfect fit. So what we have to do next is to install the correct nose piece on the pliers. You can find all the spare ones in the handle of the pliers. So screw in the one that you need and then line up the VIN tag with the holes in the frame. Make sure that it's the right way round and then you can put the first rivet in place. Now use the pliers to install the rivet in the frame and be careful to not scratch the frame when the rivet pops off. It can be quite sudden. Once the first one is in place, we can repeat the process with the second one. And that's the VIN tag back on the bike. I hope this video helps you to install your own VIN tag. If you want to watch another video, then check out this one right here. As always, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.